Yo, what's up, guys? My hair is all crazy right now because my beanie's in the laundry. But yeah, last night was fun. Carrie, you know, took 2 wins. I took 3 losses. But these tires right here, they are some Hoosiers. I don't even know what brand. SM7s, 205, 50, 15s, and these fuckers got sticky last night. But these perform great for his low horsepower car. He came by right now to swap off the wheels because my buddy left the wheels at my house, and he drove on those this morning. So anyways, we adjusted the clutch, and now it kicks between bottom to mid instead of way up top as if it was a you know, bad clutch. So his car reacts a lot sooner than it did before, because I believe that's how I misshifted. But no excuse, right? If you miss, you miss. So yeah, his car is pretty much all ready to go. What I'm doing today is I was supposed to start parting the car out, the RSX right here, and I had somebody hit me up last night and this morning. Like, when you hit up somebody consecutively, you really want the you know, said item to be sold. So I told him, if you come today and you pick up the car, $400 as is. I'm taking the shifter box, the steering wheel, and I am taking the wheels off the car. I got to reinstall the subframe with the knuckles so that way it can be rolled onto a trailer or a tow truck or whatever he's come picking it up with. But if I can sell for 400, so be it. I need it gone so we can start messing with that car. As of right now, I'm just gonna wait and see what his deal is, because if he doesn't pick it up, then this pretty much is gonna be a disassembly video. But yeah, 4:30. It's about, what time is it? Like 2 o'clock, something like that. Yeah. And we'll see how that goes. So I've been fidgeting around with the center console, got it removed, got the shifter box out, as well as the cables, reinstall the console, all the screws and everything put back into place. I am currently removing the steering wheel, and I don't have a like bearing puller or something to pull the sucker out, so I've just been hammering away the casting here, and it still won't budge. So the dude is on his way to come and check out the car right now. And on my listing, I listed the car shell, no seats, no exhaust, shifter, motor obviously, no steering wheel, and no wheel. So the guy knows that's what he's looking at. I sent some pictures, whatever. But if I can get my asking price, which is like stupid cheap, I'm gonna leave the seats in the car. 9-4 came by to check it out, and you know, typical RSX issue with the tear right here in the same spot. So his is the same way, so he don't need it. And I'm just gonna leave the seats. I know it's worth a lot because the SRS is still on there, as well as this and that. Fairly clean interior. Everything I need removed off the car is removed off the car, other than the 2 back wheels. But all that's gonna stay, just to kind of make the price worth it. I was gonna take the floor mats and put it in my CRX because my CRX has a torn carpet, but I'm gonna leave that all in there. I'm not sure if that's OEM. I'm leaving a Type S cluster in here because I don't need it. And so yeah, hopefully we make this sale today. I still gotta reinstall the subframe. Look, Carrie ass keeping these wheels and those jack in his car for whoever's trying to get it. he haven't paid for it yet.
Hey, after I do a couple more runs, I just refund it.
Faulty tires, no treads. Yeah, so we ran Sunday night, and I believe that video should have been out last night or yesterday. And the next morning, got a lot of messages about the car, because you know, we tuned it, made 240 what? 248 on 6 pounds, and people were like, oh, that car got to be making a lot more power because we came out on slicks and whatever. But the car is still exactly the same. I don't know, maybe he just has mentor in the car the whole time, and you know, teaching him how to really get down with the car, so on and so forth. We kind of dialed it so the car is like, you know, running tip top right now. And cool guy right here got the slicks in his car for those quick PRs and shit, so we don't have to run back home or whatever. So he feels cool now and shit, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, so today is the next day, continuing from yesterday's video of me kind of taking parts off the RSX. The dude came by, he checked it out, and he liked it. I told him it was clean title, which kind of made him want to buy a little bit more. And you know, I took all my stuff out of it. Today he said he was gonna buy for me, but today he I don't know what, he hasn't said anything back. And pretty much he needed wheels and he needed a tow, which I told him, I said, if you give me extra $100, I'll throw my RSX wheels on there, and then you can take the car and return my wheels, and I'll give you $100 back. So just waiting on him. And whatever the case may be, I'm just gonna slap the wheels on anyways. Got to move it out because today we're gonna be pulling out Eric's transmission, swap out that broken pressure plate, and hopefully get his car up and going again. So dude just messaged me back about the RSX, and he just told me, oh, it would be hard to find wheels for the car, blah blah blah. And now he's giving me excuses that he doesn't have a place to park it, whatever. Like, if you came at me with trying to buy the car, you already had the intentions of parking it at some spot. So apparently he has no spot and no wheels. So now I'm stuck with the fucking shell, which I was supposed to get rid of 2 days ago. This is why I hate the market, youngsters for the most part, because them fuckers like to waste your time. He said no hard feelings. Oh, definitely hard feelings on me, because I need this car gone already. But so anyways, I got this package this morning, right? And at first I didn't know this was my package. It just said, you know, came from somewhere, whatever, and it didn't have a name on it. And then I kept walking past it all morning, and my nephew was like, that's your package. I was like, I didn't order anything. He goes, well, it has your name on it. And I didn't it didn't occur to me that Static was me. So I was like, what the fuck is this? All right, so I opened the package up, right? And I'm like, I didn't order none. And right here we have headrests. Headrests. Let me show you guys real quick. Headrests. I have no headrests in this car. CRV, and I've been looking for it for a while. Same fabric as the one that's currently in this car. So this guy let me see his name here. His name is Carlos. Think he's cool. So Carlos sent me this headrest for the rear. I have not opened it, so I don't know if it's the same fabric, but it's promising because it is the same color. And he sent me 50 gloves, 9mm thick. And here we got a message as well. This is super stoked. I read this earlier in the living room when I opened it. It says, hey Static, what's up bro? Here are the headrests for the CRV and some glove. Just a random care package, super random. I'm Camster15 on YouTube. I'm currently working on 89 CRX Y49. Ooh, Y49. So your videos are helping me out. You know, thank you for your help and the motivation, Carlos. And then it says on the second message right here, it says, P.S. I seen your address on YouTube video. So that's how I got this package without even noting, you know, without notification, and it just appeared at my doorstep, which is super awesome, man. Thank you, Carlos, for the head package. Head package. That sounded good for a second. Thank you, Carlos, for the headrest for the CRV and the brand new pack of Hardy gloves. Truly appreciate it. I'm still trying to work on opening up a P.O. box, guys. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about a mailing address to send me stuff such as this, but I guess Carlos did his homework. He paid really close attention to my video and snagged my address. Now I'm gonna have to go back and find that goddamn video. But truly appreciate it, man. When I get it installed in the car, I'll show you, you know, install, I guess, and hoping that it matches the interior. So they're back, and now we're gonna put this car back on the ground, move his car up, and start tearing apart that transmission.
Go, I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that Phillips screw right there. Damn, that shit is fucking like,
oh, that is bad, son. So we went ahead and just, you know, took everything all apart, whatever. And this is the side on the pressure plate side. That shit is missing ceramic, boy. But this is nothing. This is nothing. This is the issue right here, bro. Whoa. XTD, baby. What you know about that? Damn.
That's not even 2 weeks.
Holy shit, look at this. So what had happened was the rivet broke, and then all of this broke.
That's like
but wow. XTD, like I said, is a hit or miss. My cousin ran XTD with no issues, and this was what, less than 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Broken, son. Wow. See, but lucky I told him to keep his original one. No, well, I told him to keep it.
Yeah. I was about to,
so he was gonna toss it, but he wanted to keep it, so he had it. We got an extra pressure plate, and wow. Shit. So we're gonna mix and match a few real quick, see what we come up with, then we're gonna reverse the process. But all of this right here took less than 45 minutes. But holy shit, dude, that is bad. Everything is all done. Just buttoning it up real quick. Night fell fairly quickly. We took a good break, got something to eat, whatever. But this transmission had originally one strip bolt for the slave cylinder, and now both of them feels really short. So I removed the radiator out of the way, and there's enough room for me to tap it and throw some time cert on it. So I'm gonna remove it right now, button that up, and axle, shift linkage, motor mount bracket, everything's all said and done. So once we're squared up with that, we got some PRs tonight. What up, guys? So I'm not even sure how long this video is gonna be, since it's 2 days of recording. Eric's car is done, and he took off home. I just took a shower. I'm here with Kid Cudi, and we're headed to the spot right now to meet up and hopefully get some runs in. We both this car and the EK has the Hoosiers on, so hopefully it'll be a hooking kind of night. We out here, got a gang over there, got a mob over there, and we got us over here. The clutch transmission engagement to second is kind of iffy, but if you know, kind of granny into it, it goes in. But if you power shift, it kind of feels like there's a wall there. Definitely have to do a clutch pedal adjustment on the master, because I believe the pressure plate broke at the track and we adjusted accordingly. But now, since the pressure plate is not broken, we got to readjust it. But we got the Hoosiers on this car, we got the Hoosiers on that car. He's still about 20 psi, and we're about 45 here. So we got to deflate this before we head out and put some runs in. Second roll, pressure roll. First roll? Whatever. Right here. Honk. Second. Fuck it, Cuzzle Redemption. Battle of the Cuzzles. This is it. This is it. Battle of the Cuzzles. Three. Battle of the Cuzzles.